Alright, this is Unicorn Guy here, and this is the Toshiba Satellite M115-S3094. I went to Best Buy today, and I picked up a 1GB module of RAM right here. I looked online and they had the value RAM for $14.99, so I said, oh, I'm definitely going over there. Got over there, they didn't have the value RAM, so I said, well, I'm here, so I might as well buy this, and so I bought it. It currently has 512 megabytes installed right now, and it does okay doing with 512, but I'd like to add a little bit more RAM to it. So that's what I'm going to do here today. Let me just flip this thing over. You know, at Best Buy I don't really know anything because I went over there and I got 3 different types of RAM to get. I was told 4200, 3700, and some other sort of type of RAM. So I said I'm going to Google it, and that's what I did. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Oh, excuse me. Sorry it's so dark. There we go. Alright. So there's what I have installed right now. Let me go over here and get this out. Alright. Here is the RAM right here. Oops. So I'm going to go ahead and install it. Like it was in the package. Slide that thing in there. There we go. That's in there. Sorry about the shaky camera movement though. Alright. I'll get the screwdriver. And let me screw that back down. Alright. Screw in some more. Now let's give this thing a test run. Find the adapter for it. Over here. So everything's in such disarray, but I'm pretty much the master of disarray and whatnot. Okay, let's see if I did it right. That's always a good sign. Now, hopefully when I go into Windows XP, you'll notice. Alright, type my key, password over here. Well, I assume I did it correctly, but not as Windows see it. I've added RAM in other machines before, but they're Windows 98 and whatnot, and they saw it right away. And I'm pretty confident that's how this is going to work. But I'm never too sure around here. Let's see. Should be control panel. it seems to notice it because it's increased my paging file from 1 point something gigs to 2 something gigs, so I assume it does notice it. Let's go to our processors right now. Let's quit all these right here. Because I have a lot of stuff that likes to run at startup and not. Oh. That's the first time it's ever automatically updated. So that's good news, I guess. iTunes has a lot of tasks to take up a lot of resources for some strange reason. I should complain to Apple about that, but Apple doesn't really listen to their customers. Let's go to Control Panel. Definitely does feel a little bit more zippy than it was before. Let's go to System. Yeah, it sees it. 1.49 gigs of RAM. That's pretty close to what I have in there, because I have had a 512 stick in there already, as I mentioned before, and then I put the 1 gig in there. So that's pretty close. After closing out all those programs, I wonder how Minecraft will run on here. This is the cracked version, by the way. Oops. An internal error has occurred. Error code 7. Alright. So, let's enter the game. Let's go to full screen. Single player. Play selected world. And I was in the middle of building a house in this world right here. And with Windows open, I notice just a little bit of lag. Huh, what's that over there? I see something glowing. This is 1.5_1. And this is where they added the new mob, which is a wolf. If I could ever figure out how to operate Minecraft with one hand. I also have single player commands on. I don't have X-ray hacks on this one. I don't know where my dog is. He's around. I have stairs here. Let's go take a look, and I do have a minecart. So we'll take that minecart, go 4, and let's find a stretch of track right here that's not powered. There we go. Oh wait a minute, I need to get out. I think I need to get out and push. Oh shoot. Oh well. Okay. That was not necessary, I guess. I could walk. Oh wait a minute, that's a really long ways to walk. I just realized that. Oops. Alright, open inventory. Okay, let's try this again. And oh, there's my dog. Oops. Where'd I go to now? Oh, Christ. usually I have to run a Minecraft by closing explorer.exe and a whole bunch of other stuff. And then finally it runs. Oh, oops. No, that's not what I wanted. Let's see, what is that? 8. Oh, by the way, if you don't have a scroll pad, like I don't, you can just use the number keys at the top to get to your hotbar. So, there we go. Now, there's going to be a little bit of lag here. I also installed a custom art pack too, so you'll see it in a moment, I'm sure, but because I think... Oh, wait a minute, it's night outside, so you might not be able to see it. Oh, there... I'm not sure if you saw that, but it's the new My Little Pony, Friendship is Magic. Oh, there's some sheep. Oh, that's a lot of sheep. That is an overwhelming, ridiculous amount of sheep. Let's see. And actually, when I got into this minecart with only 512 megabytes of RAM, it was kind of laggy. Now, here it is right here. Yeah. I was able to slow down that one. Right there. Here's some more. Oops. Uh-oh. Alright. Well, it's going to take me back to where it was before, but you pretty much get the gist of it. This thing runs way better with 512. I mean, not with 512, with 1.1.5 gigs of RAM. And I was actually worried that wasn't going to be enough. Oops. Okay. I thought that 1.5 gigs, it might still be a little bit laggy. But, as you can see, it clearly works. So, thanks for watching, and there'll be more videos out soon. Hopefully another one tonight about about this right here. It's a cassette deck, and hopefully it works. So, thanks a lot.